body armor before or what?
Not on people like that.
Why? Wait, you're afraid of body armor or what?
No, but you.
What else is suspicious about me?
You're wearing tactical gear on a radio.
So what's wrong with that?
Okay. What are you doing here?
None of your business, man. Why are you running my plates?
Because I can.
For what? What crime did I commit? Am I parked illegally?
I can run your plate.
Okay, but for what?
Tell me
To
why I
harass
can't.
me or what?
Tell me why I can't.
Well, because I haven't done anything wrong. That's why.
Okay.
So you're profiling me is what you're doing. You're
Okay,
profiling me, aren't
okay.
you?
You know what? I'm not going.
Fuck off, bitch. Fuck off. So shut up. It's none of your business. It's none of your business.
Why are you getting upset?
Go be nosy somewhere else.
We're patrolling this area to make sure it's safe.
No, you're not patrolling your area. You're looking for somebody.
Yeah, we had a 459 call.
Yeah, I know. I know. The medical's in the
How do you
fucking
know?
parking lot. We've
How
been
do you
following
know?
you guys all night. Stop crying about it, man.
How do you know we had a 459 call?
Because I heard it on the fucking scanner. Don't you see my scanner right here?
Okay.
Dummy.
Alright, so there's no reason to use profanities with us.
Yeah, well, go away. Leave me alone. Stop running my plate. Stop trying to find a reason to tie me up. Go away. Go away, man. That's why cops get no respect, man, because you just go random running people's plates, trying to jam people up right away. You don't even know what the hell I'm doing.
You don't even know what the hell I'm doing.
Yeah, I do.
What am I doing?
You're supposed to be doing your job.
Okay.
And profiling me is not your job,
So
man.
put yourself in my shoes, bro.
Yeah, and okay, so what?
Hold on, listen. I'm not gonna mess with you. I just want to have a conversation with you. That's all. Okay? Because somehow we got off on the wrong foot, and I don't understand.
Well, because you ran my plates, man. It's unnecessary. I'm out here doing a job just like you, man.
But
I have a job to do just like you. Just because you're in uniform doesn't mean that I have to give you all that respect that you want.
okay, brother.
I haven't broken the
No,
law,
you're
man.
cool. You're right. You're absolutely right. 100%. Okay? But consider, if you will, check your ego for a minute and consider, if you will, okay? You're out here on the street. We have a 459 call at this apartment building. And as I'm leaving my 459, okay, 459 is a burglary. It means a house got broken into. Okay? And as I'm leaving that, okay, this area is also really bad for having cars broken into. And as I'm rolling down the street, I drove by this truck. There was no
Me
activity
in my
at this truck.
badass truck, and you want to profile
Man, I'm
me.
not,
but
dude.
can't
I'm
see
not
your
trying to
face.
listen. I'm not
That's
trying to cause a
profiling
problem
you.
with you. You're trying to get a rise out of me with your mouth,
I'm
and I'm not trying to do that.
If
I'm
you're
trying
gonna do that,
I'm
that's
just
your
trying to help
feelings,
you
man.
understand.
Don't let your feelings
I'm
take
not-
over your emotions,
I'm trying
man.
to help you understand what I'm doing.
I know what
okay?
you're doing,
So
man.
that way, maybe you and I, the next time we encounter each other, we have a different level of understanding of
Well,
each other,
hopefully,
and
man.
it won't go this way.
Hopefully.
Okay?
Hopefully.
I think if cops and people like you did this more, we'd probably understand each other more.
Probably,
And that's
man.
what I'm doing. I'm taking the opportunity so that hopefully you'll understand us more.
Well, hopefully you understand where I'm coming from.
I drove by your truck on the way to this burglary call.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I made a U-turn right here.
No, you did. I watched you, man. I watched you.
Okay.
I was actually on the other
I'm
street.
not lying
No,
to you.
my truck wasn't even parked right
Okay.
here when you made that U-turn.
That may be true. That may be true. Okay,
Look at
listen.
This guy, dude.
No, listen.
Okay, so what?
That may be true.
Okay.
This truck may not have been here when I made my U-turn, but I did make a U-turn right here in this driveway.
I saw you. We were
Okay.
watching you guys.
What I'm saying is there was nobody standing out here. And then as I leave my burglary call, okay, I see you wearing tactical gear going through a car. That's not normal behavior.
I wasn't going. I was coming out of my car.
Okay,
Sir,
And,
no,
and
sir,
if you
sir,
look,
sir,
if
no.
you look in my car, all you're gonna find is cameras.
I don't want to look in
So,
your car.
no, I know you don't.
I don't
I
care.
know you don't, and you're not because
What
I
I'm
don't give
saying
you
is
permission.
you look.
But the point
look
is that if I
suspicious,
would have
brother.
walked up to you with cameras, then you would have known what we're doing here. But you didn't give me the opportunity to get my equipment out of my car. So now you're profiling me and
I'm not
running my
profiling you.
plates.
I'm not profiling.
Why is my information on your computer screen?
We can run license plates, bro.
For what?
For any reason at all. There's no expectation
Okay,
of
but
privacy.
why did you run mine?
Your plate, because you're wearing tactical gear. This
So
is
that
not
gives you a
normal.
reason to
This
run
is
my
what
plates?
I'm telling you. You don't look normal.
So what came up on my record that
Nothing.
you said?
It's not your record.
I didn't look. I don't even know your name. I don't know your
clear?
record.
Is the DMV clear?
Yeah.
We're good?
You're fine.
All right, man. You guys can get back to work then. Thank you.
Is that what you guys do for a living? You're stringers or something? You follow around cops and.
That's
and,
what we do, man. But you know what? My
Look,
business.
You can tell me that.
Look, my business is not your business, man. I don't have time to be
I've dealt
explaining
with many
stuff, man.
stringers. I've dealt with many people who do what you
I'm
do.
turning on my
And
battery, okay?
And I have no problem with what they do. Just tell me.
Yeah, but see.
Say, hey, brother, we're just here
look,
to film. And I'll be like, okay, cool. Just stay right there. Let me do my business.
You didn't give me an opportunity to do that. You asked me, what am I doing?
Okay, and to be
I
fair.
just said, hey, it's none of your business.
Okay,
When did my business become your business, man?
Would it have been so hard for you to go, hey, brother, I'm a stringer. I was just following you guys on your call to videotape if it was a good break-in. I would have been like, oh, cool. Yeah, it was nothing. We checked it. It's cool.
I could have done that.
You could have done
Maybe
that.
next
and
time
this
I
would have
will,
gone
man.
totally different.
But you know what? Okay, you have this type of attitude where you're saying if I do this, you might act a certain way. Anytime, so you know, every situation is different. So I get it.
Absolutely.
You're trying to get an understanding from us, and I get that. But you got to understand that every situation is different.
I
Every
completely
individual is
understand that.
different, and it doesn't always go so smooth. Just the way you explained that it might go so smooth, it doesn't go that smooth, man.
Okay, well, here's the thing, brother. I'm not that cop.
Well, thank
Okay?
you.
And you're not. Part of my language. You're not an asshole.
We
don't
try
know
not
each
to
other.
be, man. There
So
is
we don't
no
need to
need
act
for
like
that.
that.
We're all humans. We live together.
Exactly.
You know,
Right.
So we don't
we
need to
help
act
each
like
other
that.
out. You know.
You know. That's
Right.
all.
Yeah,
That's
but
all,
I just don't appreciate that you. I mean, you could have said like, you know, you look suspicious because there's a break-in, blah blah blah, and then I would have been like, nah, man, you know. But you just ran my plates right away, so that makes me fire back. You know.
But sir, people lie. So we're just checking, and to be fair, if you look at your, I mean, if you look in the mirror, that does not look normal. So we just didn't know.
My brother, dude, I'm telling
Well,
you. I can tell you.
I'm
I
talking
can
about
tell
your
you.
vest with all your gear.
I can
on
tell
it.
you
That
how many
looks
times
like,
on one hand I've encountered somebody at this time of the night dressed the way you're dressed, tactical gear. Now, granted, everybody's wearing face masks because of COVID, right? But prior to COVID, what did people wear face masks for?
it's
hide their
kind of
identity.
cold out, so it depends.
To
you
hide
know.
to conceal
It
their
depends.
identity so that they couldn't be identified.
For the cold weather.
It depends.
Not
man.
like that. You see beanies for cold weather, but you don't see full face masks.
You don't
That's
see
usually,
fisherman hats. And,
That's usually
no.
indicative of something else, my brother.
Wow. I
Okay.
mean, that's considered profiling.
Okay, so
So
hold on.
I
No,
mean,
no. Let's talk about,
honestly, that's your job, right? It's
Let's
your
talk
job
about
to
profiling now,
profile
but
people.
we
I
all
get
pro-
it, man.
but
I
we all
get it.
profile. I criminally profile. I don't.
Okay,
I
well-
don't racially profile.
Well, okay.
Okay.
There's the big difference.
There's a
there.
huge difference.
Yeah, I get you.
And that's human behavior. We all profile people.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get you. I get you.
You see
guys are
three
doing
green
your job, man.
aliens. You see three green aliens standing at an ATM machine in the middle of the night. You're not going to go to that ATM machine. You're going to profile the fact that, hey, that's weird.
I might go
There's-
film them
There's
actually.
three aliens right there. I'm not going to go there.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
You know, that's
yeah.
reasonable. That's
Right.
human behavior.
Right.
That's reasonable.
All
What's
right.
your name?
My name's Jose.
I'm Joe.
Nice to meet you, Joe.
Hi, man.
All right.
Mandy.
Mandy, nice to meet you.
I support what you guys do. I
Thank
dig
you,
it.
man.
I
Thank
watch
you.
the shows on Netflix. I dig it.
Right on.
I
Thank
wish
you.
I could get into something like that off the side just because the access I have.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. No,
And
for sure.
You
Yeah,
tell
it
me
would
that,
be
and
great
I'm like,
footage.
cool. Yeah.
It would be
That's what I'm
great
saying.
footage.
That's what I'm saying.
Right on.
So
Well,
thank
you guys be safe out there.
I didn't.
speaking with us.
If I came sideways
for
at you,
sure.
that wasn't the intent.
No, we just got off on the wrong foot for sure.
All right.
But I have respect for you guys, man. I don't. A lot of people say, "Hey, F the police and this and that," but I'm not one of those. I'm like, everybody deserves a fighting chance.
That's cool, man.
You know,
I
you
dig
guys get the name of destruction right away because of the badge, you know, and the guns, and people
Hey,
see
and to
you
be
and
fair,
they're like,
dude, hey, there's bad apples.
they want to take me to jail, so people run or
Yeah.
cause, you know.
There's bad apples in our
But
community.
yeah, I get
And they
it.
spoil it
There's
for
a
us.
lot of them.
And
There's a
I'll
lot
be
of
the
them.
first to tell you, bro. Nobody hates a bad cop more than a good cop,
Thank you.
for sure.
All right,
All
Joe.
right, man.
You be
Brother,
safe out there, man. Again,
Hey, listen up.
Andy, right?
Listen
All right.
up in like West Valley because they've been having a lot of robberies.
Right on.
Oh, look at that.
All right.
It's gonna go down.
Yeah, for sure.
So
All right, you guys be
All
safe
right,
out there.
be safe.
All right, thank you. All right, let's go. What's up with that, bro?
Prime footage, dude.
Is that down or what?
That's it, man. He was trying to like just put you on check, and he just like that fool was like trembling, you know, at the beginning
Yeah.
or through most of the shit. He was like trembling. He didn't even know what he fucking did.
He even lied and said we were parked here.
Yeah, that he made a U-turn. No, you were coming from that way, like Mentiroso, you know,
Yeah.
on fucking camera.
Saw his ass.